Hi everyone, I am Rhythm, and ever since I've posted a video on my LSAT journey, law students have been approaching me and I've been replying to them personally. But there's this one querent who came up with this question that sparked some sort of excitement in me, and this type of curiosity and forward thinking is something that we all should appreciate and learn from. I love when students think beyond what's already laid out in front of them and start asking how things could evolve, not just how they currently are. I also want to say this upfront that I'm still a learner myself and very much at an early stage of learning. I am not an educator and law takes years of experience. But I believe there's real value in exchanging thoughts and sharing perspectives because we all can learn. I see I've wasted a lot of time and all that. Here's the answer to your question. The best junior lawyers will be the ones who can work with technology, not just around it. As a student myself, these are some skills that I would focus on or pick up to stay relevant in this AI powered world. First is judgment. Sorry. Now, AI can generate drafts, extract clauses, or even summarize for you, but it can't weigh risks, it can't understand the context, and most definitely cannot decide what matters to your client. For now, the lawyers who stand out will be the ones who can interpret output rather than just produce documents. Then comes the commercial awareness. If AI is handling routine legal work, your values shift towards understanding how businesses operate, why business decision matters. Clients don't want to just sit and see law, they want to know the consequences and they want to know what other options they have. Then comes the communication. AI can generate words, but it can't build trust. Explaining complex issues simply, writing clearly, and managing stakeholders' expectations becomes even more important when everything else is getting automated. As a student, I would also develop process thinking, not coding necessarily, but understanding workflows, data, and how information moves through a transaction or a dispute. Last but not the least, contract analysis and risk detection with AI. Clause comparison across multiple agreements, flagging unusual indemnities, termination traps, or compliance risks, and standardizing contract reviews. Finally, I would focus on curiosity.
The industry is changing fast, and students or people who keep learning new tools and are adapting early are the ones that are going to compound that advantage over time. In an AI legal world, knowledge matters, but judgment, awareness, and human value, that matters more.
Now, the last line of your question. AI is not going to replace lawyers, but lawyers who use AI, they're definitely going to replace those who don't. Oh my god, I just said that. There is your answer. Thank you so much for asking me this question. I genuinely enjoyed answering this. Keep learning and keep asking me such questions. I love it.